It's demo day!
Yay!
With Runyon. Today we're going to go over some different saws and what blades to use in certain scenarios. So what we just did first out there, we had some old polyurea in the joint that needed to be removed. So what we did was we stacked our blades together. We put one stellite blade on first. This is what's going to remove the material. We stacked our tiger blade on second. So when you're going down the joint, you're going to want this tiger blade touching the wall of the joint. You're going to keep this stellite blade in the middle so that way it's taking the material out. What this is doing, the reason why we're double stacking is A, to add some width to it. B, having this blade up against the wall, it's going to protect the joint. This blade right here, a load would kind of want to dig up the joint and mess up the side of the walls, which is going to turn into using more material. These blades right here are the stellite blades. They're the ones that come in all different sizes. They're the ones that actually are going to eat up the material and take out the softer polyurea. These are the tiger blades. These are good to pair with these, like I said earlier, just to make sure that the joint wall is not getting damaged. These are our Runyon surface prep blades. What these blades are good for is if you're in a building where the joints have not been filled out yet or filled in with material yet. This is what you'd want to run down each side of the joint to prep it for new material. So after we cleaned out the joint out there and got all the material out, we switched over to this blade and quickly ran down the joint just to take out any other particles or anything like that were in the joint, and also to prep the sidewalls for material. Here's the rest of the Gorilla Saw lineup. Contact Runyon Surface Prep for more info.